Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for a yarn. Let's crochet this cute candy. First, pull the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert your yarn over pull through. This is called slip knot. And chain 15 like this. Yarn over pull through, yarn over pull through. And just insert your hook into the first chain and yarn over and pull through. This is called slip stitch. Chain 1, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn 1 over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. You should make in each stitch, each chain, 1 single crochet. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through. This is called slip stitch. Chain 1 and make in each stitch 1 single crochet. You should follow this pattern for 9 rows. After 9 rows, just chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it and hide it. And just fasten off this piece of yarn like this, like you see. And after that, I'll show you. Insert your hook in both loops and chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in same stitch and yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called double crochet. And after that, just make 1 single crochet in same stitch. Next stitch, 1 slip stitch. And you should follow this pattern for 5 times like this. And yeah, I'll show you again how to do that. Don't forget to like this video, and in the end just make a slip stitch, tie the yarn, cut it and tie it, and just fasten off with your needle like this. Fill your work and again follow the same pattern. Chain 1, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and again till the end. Follow this pattern. And for strawberry, make a slip knot, chain 4, skip 3 chains and insert your hook in chain 4 and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called unfinished double crochet. We should make 5 unfinished double crochet. And after that, you see 6 holes like this, and yarn over and pull through all 6 holes and chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it, and you should tie the yarn twice like this and just cut it and insert your hook in this hole and add your green yarn and chain 3 and skip 1 chain, and in second chain make a slip stitch, again next stitch, slip stitch, chain 2, skip 1 chain and make a slip stitch in next chain, chain 3, and again skip 1 chain and start from second chain and make a slip stitch, again next stitch, slip stitch, and just tie the yarn and use your needle and connect 2 pieces and sew it like this. So easy, as you see. And just again tie the yarn twice like this and cut it with your scissor. I stick 2 pieces with glue. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.